Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Air Purifier 3C, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up this device after unboxing. Okay, this device was unboxed a few minutes ago and it was not enabled yet. So now I will show you how to perform first setup on this device. So firstly, you need to check is it have a HEPA filter inside. So just press on this button and the same button on the other side of your device. So just press on it on the both sides and just pull up the top part of this device. Cool. Now you will see the HEPA filter inside the Xiaomi Air Purifier, and as you can see, I have it. So let's check: is it installed good? So this part, that part need be on the need be in this position. Okay, so my English is so bad, I know, but I will work about it. So as you can see, here we have top part of our device. So we need to unbox this and cable. Cool. Now install the top part of our device. Wait for it. How we can do it? Okay, as you can see, here we have this, and here we have this. So we need to install this on this. So just try it. Okay. Now connect it to electricity. And cool. As you can see, it was enabled. So great. Now we need to install the app for this device. I have already installed, but I will remove it to show how it works. So if you have Android device, just find the Xiaomi Mi Home app on your Play Store, or if you have iPhone, just open App Store and find here Mi Home application. Find and install it. Cool. Now click open. Agree. Hello. Xiaomi Home would like critical alerts. Okay. Hello. Experience now. Connect to your Mi account. I will connect with my Apple account, my Mi account. So I will just click continue and sign in with Face ID. You can write your email and password. Click hello all, okay. While using the app, okay, and okay. Cool. Now on the top part of our Xiaomi device, we have two buttons: power button and change mode button. So click on power button, and as you can see, as you can see, we have Wi-Fi button here. As you can see, here is a Wi-Fi button. So now use your device to find your air purifier. As you can see, it works now. So just click plus button on your Xiaomi Mi app. It's not work. Click plus, click add device, and you will see here your Mi Air Purifier. Just click on it, click OK, and now you need to get access for your network to this purifier. So click agree and enter your network password. Click done. Here you can select the network you want to connect your purifier. You need to be connected with your phone to this network. This network must be 2 and 4G, not 5G. With this network, for example, my purifier will not work. So I need to choose my 2.4 network. So choose your 2.4 network and enter your network password. Then click done. I agree, okay. Upload information, connecting. Done. Cool. Now set the room. If you have the room in your application, you can just add to it room. But I have no room. I have only bar room. Oh my gosh! So just create a room. For example, living room. Click OK and add this machine to your living room. You can set the name, for example, Air Purifier 3C. If you want to have, if you want to use this air purifier with another air purifier with the same model, you can change the name. For example, Air Purifier Jack and Air Purifier, I don't know, Helen. For example, I want to name this, set the name Air Purifier 3C Jack. So then click OK, click next, add favorites. Okay. Share this home, do not share, dot prompt, click OK, agree, and cool. As you can see, here we have the information about our air in our app on live mode. As you can see, I have 2 points on my air purifier and 3 points on my application. So it's syncing, but maybe not perfect working. So you can see that here I have used the mode. For example, I can change mode to night, or I can change mode to manual. Here we can choose the performance of this mode. Okay. So here we have information about our filter. For example, my filter is new. Filter meaning 100%. And if your filter will old, you will get the message about changing your filter. So as you can see, I have a new filter for 146 days. You can schedule your power on or off. I want to use it only in automatic mode, so I will use always this mode. But when I will return to home, because I will use this air purifier on my home. So when I will returning on my home to my home, I will enable manual mode to filter my air, to clean my air before I getting home. So that's it. You can enable parental controls to your child can't connect to this device, but I have no child, so I don't need this feature. And device malfunction alert. Okay, I will set it enabled. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.